How to recover deleted Instagram messages. So if you want to recover your deleted Instagram messages, then first of all you need to open up your Instagram application, and then you can go for your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then you can go for the three bar icon, which is on the upper right, and go for your activity, and then scroll down, and here on the bottom you will have download your information. Tap on that, and here you can go for request a download, and then choose your Instagram, and after choosing tap on next. And then if you want the complete copy, then your file will include a complete copy of the information available for your selected accounts, and it may take a longer to download. But if you want to select the types of information, then your file will include the information that you choose for these selected profiles. For example, you can download just your photos or messages. So you can choose the second option, and under the information types you can go for messages, and then tap on next and tap on submit report. And after submitting the report, your data will be downloaded, and after downloading it might take some time, and after downloading you can have the information. So that's it. That's how you recover. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.